Hey, I took all the screws off and started some music. But this metal thing is keeping this back from coming off. So I'm going to try and pry it up with my knife. I don't know if y'all can hear the music or not, but I hope y'all can. How do I get this up? So I'm going to try taking the screws off this bottom part here. Y'all can't see that. Just these ones along the top, in the hopes that it makes folding the metal over here a little easier. Because it looks like this part is pinched into it. Professionals always make this look so easy, but it's not. It doesn't help that all I have is a screwdriver and a knife for tools. Look, I also don't care about preserving any of this stuff, though. If I have my way, it's all going to be melted down. Put towards other things eventually. Better than what the previous owners had for this thing, which was toss it. Looks like this area might be a problem, unless I can do something like this. This top part is attached on the other side where the door is, somewhat. So I'm going to try and pry that out with my knife. And that's not working. But since this bottom part seems to be coming off easily, I'll just work on that first. Actually, you know what? First, let's take a look at what this is. Probably has a light bulb or something in it. Right on the money. Light bulb. Light bulb that broke in a really weird way. The glass bottom part that connects into the thing is what broke instead of any of the actual glass. put this over here, keep it for proper disposal later. I'm going to flip this thing over to make it easier on both me and for y'all to see. Tried to catch my hand there, but I move faster than it. The great thing about this being a microwave is it acts as a storage container. So when I finish this up, any of the pieces that I can't take with me for the first part, I can just open the microwave and stuff them in there. Oh, there's a spider. Oh, come on, bud. I'm trying to take this apart. This isn't your home. Looks like this screw over here is a little too stripped for me to take out. This one isn't stripped, there's just dirt in the way. Got all but this one stripped one off. Not bad. And it's in a really annoying place though. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting that off right now. Don't know if you can see them, but there's a couple of wires back here that are stopping me from moving this around like I want to. Makes me wish I had thought to bring my gloves, especially since I saw a spider in here. Let's see, how do I get this piece off? I'm considering cutting these wires, which is normally a bad idea, but I'm out in the middle of the forest. I can guarantee you there's nothing metal connecting it. But it looks like this area is zip tied. So I'm gonna see if I can't just cut that zip tie instead. I got the zip tie off, but I don't know what that was connecting it to. It looked like it was just zip tied on to nothing. Do not try this at home. Now we got the back of that off. And we can effectively just see stuff that we could already see through it. But this is taking longer than I was hoping. I was hoping to get a little more into the wiring that's back behind this. That's why I was hoping to take this back panel off first. They did not want this thing taken apart when they built it. I'll have to come back to this later when I have some more time. Look at the things I want to do today, other videos to film. So, thank you for watching, if anyone's even listening.